Welcome to a new update of the SP500. Alright guys, so today we got a really good move here. We broke the 1 hour downtrend that we created yesterday. We got the bounce here on Friday, of course, on this polarity moment. We created a little 4 hour support here. I'm not expecting a big bounce on this 4 hour if we actually come down here, but I like to have that marked. So on a 1 hour, we broke the trend, and when we break a trend, we are probably going to attack the top over there. The only problem here is that before that we have the 4 hour trend and the 4 hour untested level here as a resistance. Okay, so that uh, it's kind of the major. We also have a polarity moment here. It's the break level. I'm not expecting a big rejection. We might. The only problem is that we already tested that. We came down like 0.4% and wasn't even that fast. We took a lot of hours to actually come down, retest the second test on this 1 hour as support, and with that, I believe that we are going to at least attack the trend. We might see a rejection on the 4 hour trend, or and again on that 4 hour polarity, but I believe that if we break the trend here to the top, we are going to attack this previous top, and maybe after that attacking the daily all-time high. Okay, so on the daily, we still have this big uptrend. We didn't test that yet again, so we can actually see another reaction on that trend. Below the trend, we also have that daily. The only problem here with this daily is that if we keep on this range, okay, and we break the trend maybe in the next week. If we break the daily, I'm not expecting a reaction on this daily, okay, because if we break the trend, we are probably going to we are probably going to attack some lower levels, maybe this daily untested, and then after that we adapt the trend to here. But yeah, if we are staying away from the trend, and we take a lot of time to break that, okay, in the future, if it actually breaks, because this is really bullish. If we take too much, if we come down here on these days, okay, we probably just broke the trend, so that daily it's probably not going to hold, okay, unless we came down really fast tomorrow or maybe in 1 or 2 days, okay. So on the 4, we are in this range, okay. So this is what we need to understand, is it's what I said before. If we break the trend, we are going to attack the top. I can delete this 1 hour here. We already broke that. I'm not expecting a reaction on the backside of that trend. So we also have a 1 hour here. It can hold the move, honestly, and it's also really close to this polarity moment on the 4. So yeah, 0.2, 0.3%. The spread is really low, so we might have a good opportunity for a long, but it really depends on how the price comes here. Yeah, but for now, really bullish. We got the second test on this support 1 hour, so we are probably going to attack that for polarity, that for downtrend, for our downtrend, the yellow line, that 4 hour level, or maybe even that 1 hour. The only problem here with this 1 hour, it's kind of really far away from the 4, 0.4. Yeah, if we don't go there kind of fast, and the 4 hour actually, sorry, we don't close a 4 hour sorry, I'm mistaken. If we open, sorry, let me delete this. If we open and close a green candle above the 4 hour, okay, the trend it's going to be broken. Okay, so if we go on the 4, test the 4 and the 1 hour really fast, we can actually have a 4 hour red candle here above the 4. That doesn't mean the 4 it's broken, okay? Only the green candles can break the 4 hour downtrend, and the opposite side it's the red, okay? So this is what I think might happen to SP 500. Of course, it's always bullish, almost always bullish. But right now, first we need to break the trend. And actually, the 4 hour downtrend was already tested multiple times, so it's kind of easier to break that. It's already tried to break like at least 1, 2, 3, 4 times here, maybe the 5 year. Let's see what it's going to happen tomorrow. It might not be tomorrow, it might be tomorrow. Okay, guys, so this is what I think it might happen to SP 500 on the next hours. Nothing more than that. I don't like to predict more than that. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow on the SP 500 analysis. Thank you.